Suppose triangle ABC is dilated to A prime, B prime, C prime by a scale factor of 1/2 with a center of dilation at the origin. What is the distance from the center of dilation to vertex A prime? All right, so first we have to take A and we have to dilate it by a scale factor of 1/2. So I'm going to write down where A is originally located. It's at 0, 5. If I want to dilate by a scale factor, you take your scale factor and you multiply each of your original by that scale factor. So I'm going to multiply 0 by 1/2, and anything times 0 is still 0. And then I'm going to multiply 5 by 1/2, and half of 5 is 2.5. So my new A prime should be located at 0, 2.5. And you could do that for each of the points if you wanted to. You know, you would end up with your little triangle right inside here. But we don't have to finish it because the question says, what is the distance from the center of dilation to vertex A prime? Now remember, the center of dilation was at the origin, so here at 0, 0. And if I want to know the distance from that to A prime, that is going to be 2.5 units.